So let's see how to solve the problem. We know that from Unit 3, for this type of firm, the supply for every firm as a function of P is just going to be PM, which implies that the aggregate supply for the market is just going to be 10 PM. We also know that in equilibrium, aggregate demand has to be equal to aggregate supply, which implies that 1000 minus 10P has to be equal to 10 PM, which implies that P as a function of M is just 100 over 1 plus M. Sorry. And therefore that X, let me put a star there, X star as a function of M, the total quantity is 1000, just substituting back in the amount supplied, 1000 M divided over 1 plus M. Now, if you do a plot of what things looks like, we have that aggregate demand looks like this. It cuts here at 1000, it cuts here at 100. This is aggregate demand, and aggregate supply is linear somehow. So what we have is that the consumer surplus is going to be given by this triangle area. And now what is going to be that area? Consumer surplus as a function of M is going to be 1/2 of this distance, which is 100 minus PM, which is 100 divided over 1 plus M, times the quantity, which is 1000 M divided over 1 plus M. If you do the algebra, you get that this is equal to 50,000 times M squared over 1 plus M squared, which goes to 50,000 as M goes to infinity. Why? Because as M goes to infinity, this ratio goes to 1.